Your daily routine is broken. You're doing everything the hard way while these 5 Amazon game changers sit waiting to transform your life. Are you ready to upgrade? First, food going bad? Disaster. This vacuum sealer machine locks in freshness with crushing 7.5 kPa power. Dry mode, moist mode, built-in cutter. Your groceries will last weeks longer. No more throwing money in the trash. Second, still stirring coffee like a caveman? This automatic stirring coffee mug does the work for you. One button press. Perfect mixing, zero mess. Travel, office, lazy Sunday mornings. This mug is genius. Third, squeezing oranges by hand like an amateur? The electric orange juicer extracts every single drop in seconds. Lemons, limes, grapefruits, hands-free citrus perfection that'll make you feel like a juice bar pro. Fourth, slipping on wet bathroom floors? Dangerous. This stone bath. That absorbs water instantly, dries lightning fast, and looks incredibly stylish. No more soggy towels or slippery accidents. Last, laundry piling up with nowhere to dry? This portable clothes dryer folds up, travels anywhere, and dries your clothes perfectly. Dorms, hotels, tiny apartments, laundry freedom at last. Stop. Living in the Stone Age. These aren't just products, they're life upgrades. Your smarter, easier life is one click away. Tap shop now below, hit the link, and grab yours today. Don't let another day pass living the hard way. Upgrade now.